Everywhere in the world, people earn $1,000, $5,000, or even $8,000 annually. Since literally thousands of customers have already used our service to withdraw ice-cold cash, I could go on and on. So how do they generate such a significant amount of online revenue? The thing is, you and I both do it every day without even realizing it. We type. The finest feature is that it can be accessed from anywhere in the world and offers a variety of cash-out options with hardly any initial work or financial outlay. You must watch this video through to the end because if you don't, you might miss out on the 3 important issues I'll be discussing with you throughout. In addition, I'm offering free software and special incentives that you can use right away to increase your income by 2 or 3 times above that of others who aren't aware of them. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want you to go right now to Nameblackscom. The website operates in this manner. It is a business name generator that uses artificial intelligence to assist you whenever you enter a phrase and press the produce button to generate an instant, catchy company name. This program is free and can come up with a ton of fantastic names. Consider businesses like Google, Spotify, Trulia, Instagram, and Airbnb as an example. These companies all have excellent reputations. By just entering names, people have been able to make hundreds of dollars every week and month. You can start earning money by typing names once we use this software and go through numerous real-world examples in this video. But before I do that, let me show you the website where they'll be paying you. Please go to SquatHealthcom. By entering the names of different companies on this website, you can get money. Now consider this. This website includes a number of categories for companies, and inside each category, there are a larger number of names for companies that people have already founded and from which they are already earning money. When we look closely at each of these company names, we can see that many users have already used this website to make a withdrawal. Just consider how many users gain significantly each day from entering company names into our search engine. After you comprehend how your account functions right now, I'll provide you lots of examples and demonstrate how to use additional software so you may start earning money online. Let me walk you through creating a free account first. You can sign up for an account on this website by simply clicking the sign up button at the top of the page. All that's needed are just your first and last names, display name or username, email address, password, and password confirmation. You must select the join as a creative or marketplace vendor option under this subject since we will be posting name recommendations for various businesses to make money. By clicking this button, you may create a free account. Once you log in, you will see a number of projects and contests that you can participate for a chance to win hundreds of dollars. As you can see, this is a list of all the projects. I could talk about other projects for hours, and there are many ways to make $300, $500, or even thousands of dollars per job. By simply typing, you might earn that much money every single day. Consider that you are interested in the project, which will cost you $500 in cash. You can see that page with additional information about the completion by just clicking this link. This is about an educational corporation. There are still 5 days left and the cash payment is $500, as can be seen. Every single competition and assignment has a due date. Once that date has passed, the event is ended and you are no longer permitted to participate. Yet again, your website likely has a ton of projects, contests, and job opportunities. If you come up with a name for a certain company, you might make up to $600 or more. Let me now show you exactly how to submit and type up names for the business in order to make hundreds of dollars. When I return to the SquatHelp website, I simply click the contest button up top and select winners, which directs me to a page where you can browse previous winners of other companies and competitions. By examining other previous winners, we hope to conduct some research and determine the types of names that people frequently prefer. As a result, you can search for various names that have won various other tasks or competitions using this website. There are many similarities among all of these various projects, and one of them is the profusion of short, straightforward names. From there, you can get some ideas for creative names and find motivation for any projects you want to work on. Another suggestion I like to use and take advantage of technology. To use the business name generator I mentioned at the beginning of the movie, go back to Nameblackscom. It is helpful at this time. Therefore, for the project we intend to participate in, we can enter the keyword online course to begin adding more information so that the AI automation can assist us in generating and coming up with a business name. Simply click the generate button. As you can see, you have the choice of a brief, medium lengthy, or long name. So based on my own experience, short names frequently have the best chances of winning monetary prizes. They'll load and start presenting me a choice of premium option as soon as I select this one. A few quick names, scroll down, and hit the produce button. In this part, you may view every proposal generated by the software and website of Nameblackscom. Additionally, they can offer ideas for logo designs. All of these suggestions can be found right now for nothing by simply clicking a few buttons. To start making money, just enter your name and submit it to SquatHealth. Next, I'd want to suggest another program that you could find useful because Nameblax occasionally makes suggestions that aren't all that great or exactly what you're searching for. We could also go to Truic.com, the second website, as an alternative. One aspect of this software that I like is that you can enter the city, state, or even the sector of the company. We can enter the company's keyword in this example, online course, once more to establish a new business name. They can help us focus more quickly and provide a more specific estimate or suggestion for the particular category of business names we're looking for. Thus, for example, by specifying a company's location as Australia and its industry as coaching and teaching, we can then click the create button, and the search will begin. They have literally thousands of potential names for both individuals and businesses, as you can see above. Take a look at these names. Each was selected with an eye toward online courses. Press the Show More Results button to browse more than 30,000 options. I'll leave you with one more recommendation on how to increase your online income by learning more about the domain name. As you can see, the prior winner won more than $135. They're successful by proposing this name for their business. As you can see, they do advise using a .com website that has the company's domain at the bottom. You now have the chance to submit a business name, which is fantastic. If we can also guarantee that the domain name, which acts as the website's URL link, is reachable, you will have a better chances of having your name chosen and getting paid. In order to check if the domain name was available, we could, for instance, go to namemesh.com and type in this name. To check if the domain name is available, let's type in webfancy.com as an example. Here's how to access webfancy.com. So when we submit the response, we can recommend that. You will have more opportunities to work on many projects at once and make far more money online as a result. Make sure the .com domain you selected for the name is actually available. That many people may consistently earn hundreds of dollars each week as a full-time job through SquatHelp by simply typing. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.